Number 2. 2. How many fingers? 1, 2. How many? How many teddy bears? 1, 2. 2 teddy bears. How many balls? 1, 2. 2 balls. How many dolls? 1, 2. 2 dolls. How many cars? 1, 2. 2 cars.
2. Can't hear you. Louder. 2. Way to go. What would you say if I taught you how to write number 2? We start right here and we make a curve. We trace it down and then draw a sleeping line. That's it. Easy, right? See, I look like a swan. Try it at home using some paper and a pencil. It's super easy.
Let's count. How many teddy bears? 2 teddy bears. How many balls? 2 balls. How many dolls? 2 dolls. How many cars? 2 cars. Great job. Bye-bye.